What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I gonna tell you a solution for a problem that all the motorcycles face. Broken indicators. This is a common issue that all the motorcyclists face. Always the best solution is to change the indicators, but LED indicators like this cost about 600 rupees per piece, so it's not that practical for all. This video is for them like me who don't want to spend that much amount on an indicator. I think for that money we can go for a small ride, something like that. Before going into the matter, I will tell you what are things I tried. Like everyone else, first I tried to stick the indicators with glue, like Flux Quick or All Day Quick Fix, something like that. The problem is that we have to apply the glue and hold the indicator for some time, but still it may or may not get stick, so I didn't find it's a good solution. Next one I tried was tap it with the insulation tap or cello tap. It was a good idea until then it came off. After it came off, the glue from the tap was all around the indicator stem, and it was hard to clean and attracts lots of dirt. And also because of its glossy finish, it attracts everyone's attention. Then I dropped that idea also. After that I tried this method. I am not telling that this is the best method, but after trying different things, I found this one is better. Now let's do the job. The main thing we require is masking tape. This whole roll costs you only 25 rupees, but with this roll you can stick as many as indicators which you can't imagine. Now I will show you what to do. Just take a small piece and keep the indicator in correct position and tap it. Just give a second look. Yes, it's in correct position. Now take a large piece and do the same, so that it can get some strength. Now the first step is complete, but we don't want to keep it like this. I was saying about the cello tap and insulation tap, and this tap is in white color and it can easily grab anyone's attention. And also there is a problem that masking tap is a paper type material, so continuous exposure to water will damage it. To solve these two issues, I use black acrylic color. It will act as a waterproof membrane and also it gives the black finish. I will just show you the one which I have already done. Now let's paint this one also. Now all the process is done. This is how it finally looked like. I won't say that this is the best method you can apply. I am just sharing only because after trying different methods, this one I find more cheap and long lasting. For this method it costs below 50 rupees. The masking tape will cost you 25 rupees and the paint will cost you 20 rupees. And it's a one-time investment. With that we can do it whenever the indicator broke. That's why I am sharing this info with you guys. If you have better ideas, you can comment below so that it can help me and other viewers. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also share with your friends. I will be coming with a new video. Till then, ride safe, stay safe, keep smiling.